I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken biryani at home. First, you'll want to marinate your chicken. Combine it with yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and a blend of aromatic spices. Let this mixture rest for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to deeply penetrate the meat. This crucial step ensures your biryani will be incredibly tender and bursting with delicious taste. Don't forget a touch of saffron for that beautiful golden hue. Next, let's prepare the basmati rice, which is key to a fluffy biryani. Begin by soaking your rice for 30 minutes. This helps achieve those long, separate grains. Then, par-cook it with whole spices like cardamom and cloves until it's about 70% done. It's important not to overcook it at this stage. Carefully drain the water, ensuring the rice remains intact and ready for layering. Now comes the exciting part, layering. In a heavy-bottomed pot, alternate layers of your marinated chicken and the partially cooked basmati rice. Between each layer, drizzle some rich ghee, sprinkle crispy fried onions, and scatter fresh mint and cilantro. Once all layers are in, seal the pot tightly. This creates a dumb cooking environment, allowing the biryani to steam gently for about 20 minutes, infusing all the flavors. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade chicken biryani. Before serving, gently mix the layers from the bottom up to combine all those wonderful flavors and colors. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro and a handful of golden fried cashews for an extra crunch. Serve this aromatic dish hot, perhaps alongside a cooling raita or a crisp, simple salad. It's a truly satisfying meal that's worth every step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.